Let's start our chapter number 17, which is chemistry or of our environment. Air pollution overview. So, definition and composition. Air composition is about mixture of gases including non-toxic gases, nitrogen, argon, essential gases, oxygen, pollutant gases, results of human activities. Major air pollutants. Primary pollutants are oxides of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, particulates, and carbon dioxide. Government responsibility to air pollution. Mitigation strategies. Banning high polluting vehicles. Implementing congestion charges. Increasing taxes on fossil fuels technology. Promoting sustainable farming. Encouraging reduced meat consumption. In water quality and contamination, our topic is distilled water. The purpose is used in experiments to prevent interference. Some key characteristics: removes impurities through different boiling points. Beneficial substances in water: dissolved oxygen, critical for supporting aquatic life, enters water through photosynthesis and atmospheric diffusion. Next, we have some metallic compounds. These essential trace metals in sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and some transition metals. Harmful water contaminants, heavy metals such as lead causes liver and kidney damage. Mercury damages our nervous system. Sewage contamination, potential diseases, diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, typhoid, and polio. Fertilizers runoff, nitrates and phosphates cause rapid algae growth, block sunlight, reduce oxygen levels, leads to aquatic ecosystem destruction. Plastic pollution, environmental impact, non biodegradable, traps marine life, consumed by sea creatures, microplastic accumulation, water purification process, domestic water treatment steps, screening, remove large objects, sedimentation, soil and sand removal, filtration, fine sand filter, activated carbon filter, disinfection, chlorine treatment. Key terminologies: runoff, water traveling over land surface carrying dissolved substances, biodegradable substances decomposable by microorganism. Chemistry of the environment, atmospheric composition. Overview of atmospheric layers. Thickness approximately 480 km. Composition, mixture of air and water vapor. Water vapor variability, mountain region as low as 0.2%, tropical rainforest up to 4%. Clean dry air breakup, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen gas 21%, argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide is about 0.04% in the air, and other gases are about 0.06%. Some key gas characteristics: oxygen, essential for respiration, used in medical and industrial applications, critical for life on Earth. Nitrogen, another gas, largely unreactive in atmosphere. Some bacteria can fix nitrogen, used in food packaging, crucial in ammonia production for fertilizers. Now let's talk about carbon dioxide. Minimal atmospheric presence, important in photosynthesis, produced through respiration. Now let's talk about air pollution. Major pollutants: oxides of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Pollution impact: significantly influenced by human activities. Carbon dioxide contributes to global warming. Increased greenhouse gas concentration. Global environmental concerns, global warming mechanism, climate change effects. Long term temperature increases, altered weather patterns, potential ecological disruptions. Some key terminologies: definition, atmosphere, surrounding air and water vapor layer, pollutants, harmful substances added to environment, global warming, sustained increase in Earth's surface temperature, climate change, weather pattern transformation. Next, we have chemistry of environment, catalytic converters, and exhaust emission. Purpose and mechanism: reduce harmful vehicles emissions by converting toxic gases into less dangerous substances, uses rare transition metal catalysts such as platinum, palladium, rhodium, coated on honeycomb support structure. Some key chemical reactions: converts carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide into safer compounds. This is carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide, which is converted into carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas. Some combustion types: number one, incomplete combustion, occurs with limited oxygen supply, produces harmful byproducts like carbon monoxide. Example reaction for octane: in the presence of oxygen, gives carbon monoxide and water. Complete combustion occurs with plentiful water oxygen, produces only carbon dioxide and water. Now we have greenhouse gases and climate change. Greenhouse gas characteristic: number one, it absorbs heat reflected from Earth's surface, prevent heat from escaping atmosphere. Key gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. Now let's talk about greenhouse effect mechanism. Climate change impacts: rising sea level, increased extreme weather events, polar ice cap melting, changes in animal migration patterns, potential crop failures, increased wildfire risk. Strategies to reduce emission: renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, afforestation, and carbon capture technologies. Now let's talk about methane emission reduction. Sources of methane: cattle farming, landfill decomposition, and agricultural waste. Reduction strategies includes dietary changes, waste management, capturing methane from energy production. Now let's talk about water analysis, water presence test. Number one, cobalt chloride paper test. Blue paper turns pink when water is present. Number two, copper sulfate test. White anhydrous copper sulfate turns blue. Purity determination: major melting point 0 degree centigrade, major boiling point 100 degree centigrade. Key takeaways for us is environmental chemistry is crucial for understanding global ecological changes. Human activities significantly impact greenhouse gas levels. Technological and behavioral changes can mitigate environmental damage. Some recommended actions: support renewable energy, reduce meat consumption, practice responsible waste management, understand scientific principles of environmental interactions. With this, we have finished our this lesson. See you in our next chapter.